All right, this is the last video of the night for me. Number 9, 10, 11, and 12. I won't be answering every single one of the questions because you know how to answer most of them. How many shapes are there in the total? Sorry, how many shapes are there total in the array? You literally have to just count how many shapes there are. And I think you can do that. And I don't think you need a tutorial for it. So I'm going to move on to number 10. If you were to select one shape at random from the array, what's the probability that it'll be a circle? So what we want to do is we want to set this up where we figure out the number of times that we see a circle among this entire array. Okay, so probability of choosing a circle is going to be out of total. So it's 5 by 5, so which makes it 25 shapes. And 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8 shapes among the 25 are circles. So 8 over 25. Let's go ahead and convert that to a decimal. And we get 0.32 exactly. So that's about, nope, that's exactly 32%. Okay, so let me rewrite that, 32%. So the answer to number 10 is right here. Okay, right here is number 10. Maybe I can move it up higher to number 10. Here we go. Okay. All right. Number 11. If you were to select one shape at random from the array, what shape would you have the greatest probability of selecting? So in order for us to figure out which one has the greatest probability, we have to count which shape do we have the most of. So we already know that there's only 8 circles. So circle, I'm going to go ahead and write it out so I make notes for myself. Circle, there is 8. Okay. And squares, let's count how many squares we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa, that's a lot of squares. So there's 12. Let's see how many hearts we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 hearts. Okay, so it looks like there is a very clear possible answer in this set of information that we have there. So I'm going to go ahead and let you answer for number 11 on your own. What shape do you think have the greatest probability of selecting? It's actually written here. You can figure it out by looking at these numbers, which one is the greatest number, and it should be a piece of cake after that. Which shape has 32% chance 8 out of 25 of being selected? Wait, didn't we just answer that for number 10? All right, so I'm not going to answer it. Hopefully you'll be able to answer it. Hopefully all these videos have been helpful to you to get your work done and learn a little more while I'm gone and while Miss Parati's gone. So if you have any questions, make sure you save them for us, and then make sure that you finish all your assignments. You will be graded on this. Please make sure that you finish. All right, have a great day, everyone. Bye.